Yah0o have come once again. This is aka Yah0o the Yah0o. Obonya Gwendola Toyoto. I have come once again to highlight my people that I am still alive. For those that are talking nonsense, saying all sorts of nonsense that Yah0o is dead. Yah0o is not dead and I can never die. My life is not in the hands of my enemy. Then I want to bring to the world our greetings. According to the respect of my father, Yah0o, and the second, Zuma the Rock. With B44, Papa Owere, the father of Owere, I throw a salute for you. Keep on pushing. And also I want to use this opportunity to bring somebody like Butozo, Okenwa in All Stars. You are well done. Ride on, my God, my fellow comrade. Ride on. Then for the respect of my father and all the rest of the commanders in Biafra Nation, we want to bring to you our father and His Excellency, the Donald Trump. We want to appreciate to you and to congratulate you.
Now, today is 18th of January 2026, being Sunday, and the person you are hearing his voice, it still remains your brother and Makeup, the Major General Yah0o the Yah0o, who always gives me the privilege and who has already who have given me another privilege in this year 2026 for me to come to address Biafrans over the rumor of RIP of Makeup. I am so much happy for the privilege he has given to me for me to come up to address Biafrans over the death rumor that Makeup is no more, that Makeup is dead, that the Nigerian army have killed, assassinated, eliminated Makeup. That is why I have been given the privilege to come to debunk the death rumor. And before I proceed on that, I will never forget to thank and salute and appreciate the Major General Yah0o the Yah0o, who always give me the privilege and who has already who have given me another privilege in this year 2026 for me to come to address Biafrans over the rumor of RIP of Makeup. So I want all Biafrans to help me to thank and appreciate these two hardcore freedom fighters in the persons of General Butozo and Major General Yah0o the Yah0o, and all other commanders, state commanders, who has contributed in one way or the other in giving me the privilege to address Biafrans over the death rumor. I am alive, and I want to use this opportunity to appreciate His Excellency, the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in exile, because we have only Prime Minister, which is Mazi Simon Ekpa. And I want to also to appreciate and continuously praying for the unconditional release of our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a prisoner of conscience. And I want to use this opportunity to address the conscientious peoples of the world and the leaders of conscience that Makeup is alive. I want to also to appreciate and thank His Excellency President Donald Trump